everyone, this is Gajendra Basnet. Welcomes you on my channel. So guys, today we are going to learn a QBasic program in which we are going to input two numbers and to print the greatest number. So to print the greatest number between the two numbers, first of all we have to input two numbers. Put first number is going to store in A. Second number we have to store in. There are two variables A and B. The first variable A is used to store the first number. The second variable B is used to store the second number. If I want to calculate the greatest number between them, I have to use the if condition. So if I have to compare the first number with the second number. If A is greater than B, if this condition is true, then A is greater, because this is the relational operator used over here. Here relational operator is used, greater than, and this relational operator returns true or false. If this relational operator returns true, it means A is greater. If this relational operator returns B, that means B is greater. If the condition returns true, then greatest number if this condition is false, then obviously it will return the B. I want to print B. Print greatest number, that is B. For this we have to terminate the if statement by using an program is going to terminate with the AND statement. So to demonstrate the calculation of greater than and less than, I have to go to the Excel. In Excel, I will show you how this relational operator is going to work. So just watch on the Excel in A1 cell. So I am calculating over here. Suppose the value of A is 5. Okay. So 5 is greater than 4. This is the value of A, that is 5, and this is the value of B, that is 4. So 5 is greater than 4, then it will return what? It will return true. So this is the relational operator which returns true. If I'm going to input the value of A is 5 and the value of B is 4, then 5 is greater than 4 and 5 is greater than 4, this condition will return true, and if it is true, then it print the message or will execute the next statement, and the output goes print greatest number or greatest number A. A means that particular number, first number. Suppose if the value of A is 4 and the value of B is 5, it means that 4 is greater than 5. So 4 is greater than 5, what it will return? It will return. It returns false, then it goes to else statement and it will print the second number. Here the second number is 5. You can see the second number is 5. So like this, the relational operator will work in QBasic. So let's run the program and check whether it will work properly or not. As according to example, I have already input that the first number is 5 and the second number is 4. The first number means the value of A is 5, the value of B is 4. 5 is greater than 4, condition is true. When condition is true, then it will print this statement, greatest number and 5. First number is smallest and the second number is greatest, then what it will print? Let's see on the screen. The output window is here. First number is 4. Value of A is changed now. The value of A is 4, the value of B is 5. So 4, so you can see that 4, the value of A is 4. 4 is greater than 5. 4 is greater than 5, the condition is false. When the condition is false, then it goes to the else and it will print greatest number B. Message is greatest number same, but the value of B is printing. The value of B is 5, so 5 is the output. So like this we can calculate the greatest number between the two numbers. If you want to calculate the smallest number, you just change this sign. This greater than sign you have to change the less than sign, and you can change this message up. We want to calculate smallest number, and you can change this message also. You can change this message also because now we in the program for smallest number. Taking greater than sign, less than sign, you can make the program to print out the smallest number between them. Thank you guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe my channel. I will be back with more interesting videos in QBasic programming. Thank you very much.